So we are here at Symmetry Coffee in Ocala. We just finished having breakfast and some crepes. The coffee here is great. The ride here from Jack's to Ocala was great. Randy and Jessica came from Orlando. We had breakfast and now we're going to a farmer's market, man. So it was a little bit cold in the morning. I think it's warmer now, so we'll probably drop the jackets and the bikes and go there. See you guys later. Se va el tren, se va el tren.
Se va el tren.
Cuéntalo, cuéntalo.
Vamos a contarlo. Esto es PG-13. PG-13.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son to whoever believes in him.
We may be gone Easter weekend. My granddaughter's threatening to get married.
Oh my goodness.
And I will cancel for that.
Exactly.
Chupa, 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 chupa. Dame uno y tú coges otro.
Too good. Oh my gosh. Grandma's lemonade.
Grandpa's favorite.
Grandma's favorite
Riquísimo.
with peach and the blueberry lemonade in
Blueberry
this
is
incredible
better.
cup, so we don't fight. You know.
She fights still.
¿Verdad?
Mira, it's to share.
Mira, te tienen video. Te tienen
Here you
video.
go. You know.
Está bueno.
Está buena.
Yeah.
Jessica, it's to share.
Ese es el mío. Es el mío.
Es el tuyo. That's what
Yo
she
pensaba que you were
said.
gonna like blueberry better.
What's the name of this place? What?
Bang.
Se sienta.
Bank Street. Alligator.
Alligator eyes.
Alligator. It's a very, very, very neat place to hang out on. It's like a sports bar, outdoor sports bar. Wow. So many drinks.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned school.
Old fashioned school. Old fashioned drinks.
Old fashioned. Let's get something hot.
Your grape soda.
Is that for me?